sunrise, tails wagging, truck door slam. He says my name like I'm going to war. Orange vest, big smile, this one's a day. Yeah, I've heard that speech before. We stalk through weeds, he can barely spell. He whispers steady like I might jinx the words. Gun goes boom, feathers don't fall. Guess I'll go re-greet the birds. I make friends with the birds, 'cause Dad can't shoot straight. They circle back laughing, say we'll see you next week, mate. I'm the only dog in town that knows them all by first name. I make friends with the birds, and Dad takes all the blame. There's Larry the pheasant with the crooked tail. Says tell your guy he's aiming at clouds. Ducks fly past in a V-shaped grin, quacking jokes way too loud. I sprint on command like the hero I'm told. Come back with air and a puzzled face. He pats my head for the thing he missed. I accept the treat, I don't correct his case. I make friends with the birds, 'cause Dad can't shoot straight. They circle back laughing, say we'll see you next week, mate. I'm the only dog in town that knows them all by first name. I make friends with the birds, and Dad takes all the blame. He brags at the bar about the one that got away. I've met that one 3 times this week. She winks from the fence post, cleans her wings, says, bring him back, his aim is unique. Oh yeah, sometimes I wonder if I should explain. Kibble tastes like hush yourself. So I'll chase his dreams through the corn once more, while my feathered friends stay on the shelf. I make friends with the birds, 'cause Dad can't shoot straight. They circle back laughing, say we'll see you next week, mate. I'm the only dog in town that hopes he never improves his game. I make friends with the birds and eat my biscuits just the same.